बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. Let more students join the class. Bismillah. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, how are you all? Good morning. So, how's morning? Chill. Ji Amna, you are looking sad. Okay. Ji bete Fatma, start recitation bete please. Unmute yourself.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والعصر إن الإنسان لفي خسر إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر صدق الله العظيم.
Sadaqallahul Azim, Jazakallah bete. Okay. So today we'll be learning. Yes, what did we learn yesterday? Who will briefly review it? Ji Reja, can you do so?
Yes,
What did
teacher,
we
I
study
can.
yesterday?
Teacher, we study debate competition and speech competition. What is debate and what is speech?
Okay. Can you explain it to me? What are these?
Yes, sure. Debate competition is that when two person are boy and girl, they are
Very good.
talking and
Very good.
that they are what are they and what are they explaining and which topic they are to have. And speech competition, we have one person who is explaining with
Very good.
with explanation and politely voice,
Very
with
good.
manner and
Very
and
nice. Okay, that's really great, bete. Okay. Now, Sinan, you tell, bete. Give a brief review. What did we do yesterday?
We did debate and speech competition. We briefly describe it.
So, what are these, my dear? What do we do in that?
Debate competition is competition in which two people, one is agree and one is disagree.
Okay, that's
Um,
great. And what do we do in
they
speech
do
competition?
in a speech competition. We explain briefly and we
Very good.
wait for the other person. Um, let him speak. Then we will start to speak.
Okay, that's really great. Ji, Reja, Sharaza, Aryan, Anaya, and Amna, you should open the camera, otherwise I'll remove you. More students are joining us. Everyone should be very attentive, my dear. Anaya, open the video. Asghar, all of should open the video, please. Okay. Yesterday what we did yesterday, we did about what is a debate and speech competition. What is the major difference between both? This we did yesterday. A debate competition is a one-on-one conversation. Fine. What we do in that? The first person present the thought and other person disagree and present his own thought. ठीक है ना? Yusra, what are you doing right now? Be attentive right now. Abdullah Danish, Umaira, please open the video and be attentive, all of you. Please. Okay. And in speech competition, all are speaking about one topic and they all wish to win the contest. Fine. So everyone present in a different manner, but they all are speaking in one topic. ठीक है ना? हर कोई एक ही टॉपिक बयान कर रहा होता है, लेकिन in a more effective manner हर कोई उससे अच्छा करने की कोशिश करता है. क्यों? कि वो कंपटीशन जीत जाए. ठीक है ना? So yesterday I also taught you how to write a speech. अगर आपकी स्पीच अच्छी लिखी हुई होगी, so that you can easily win. अगर आपका कंटेंट ही अच्छा नहीं है, if you don't have a good content, so you will not be able to win the competition. ठीक है ना? आपको अच्छी स्पीच डिलीवर करने के लिए अच्छी स्पीच लिखनी भी है. You should write a good speech. ठीक है ना बेटे? अगर आपने कंटेंट ही अच्छा नहीं लिखा, इंट्रोडक्शन ही अच्छा नहीं होगा और एग्जांपल्स ही अच्छी नहीं होंगी, तो how could you win? Yusra, be attentive. Anaya, please open the camera. Sit properly, Yusra. Be attentive, sit properly. Okay. Did you understand? So the major part is the content which you are presenting in front of audience. Yes, Fatma, you wish to speak something?
No, miss.
You raise the hand, my dear.
No, teacher, by mistake.
Okay,
Teacher?
it's fine. No problem. Okay.
Teacher,
Did you understand, my dear?
teacher in
पूछें बेटे.
teacher, what is CR? You write in
CR to Rafe.
CR.
Ji, the class representative they are. I made them the class representative monitor now. They will make a list of all the parts. All everyone should take part. ठीक है ना? मैं इनको लिस्ट दे दूंगी कि मंडे को कौन करेगा, ट्यूसडे को कौन सा बच्चा कर रहा है, कितने मिनट की स्पीच कर रहा है. So they will let you know. ठीक है ना? Just they will work as class representative. ठीक है? जो क्लास के मॉनिटर सीआर नहीं होते, they are working like that. Okay.
Yes.
So I have selected from class 6 Rafi and Fatma Mohsin from 6 green. ठीक है ना? So class 6 here red, 6 red will give their topic and their name to Rafi, and 6 green student will give the topic and their speech content to Fatma Mohsin. ठीक है? Okay. Now I'm sharing the screen. Look at the screen, all of you. Okay. Are you all able to look at my screen? Okay. But as I told you, whatever speech you are writing, it should have 3 parts. Fine. The introduction, the body of the speech, the supporting ideas which you will add to support the introduction, and then the conclusion. In that you will sum up the whole speech. Fine. Do start your speech with a famous quotation or famous quote or any famous saying of a famous writer. ठीक है? आप स्पीच स्टार्ट करेंगे किसी अच्छी सी पोइट्री से, किसी अच्छी कोटेशन से. ठीक है ना? किसी अच्छी सी सेइंग से. जो भी टॉपिक आप सिलेक्ट कर रहे हैं वो आप कोटेशन, सेइंग और पोइट्री से स्टार्ट करेंगे. ठीक है? Then you will be adding introduction about the topic. फिर आप उसमें और कंटेंट ऐड करेंगे that will support the introduction. ठीक है? जो भी आप स्पीच लिख रहे हैं उसमें कॉन्क्रीट वर्ड यूज करेंगे. कॉन्क्रीट वर्ड कौन से होते हैं? जो आपके सेंसेस को अपील करते हैं. ठीक है ना? Which develop the interest. कन्वर्सेशनल लैंग्वेज होनी चाहिए, जनरल लैंग्वेज जो कॉमन हो, बहुत डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स यूज नहीं कीजिएगा. इन दिस मैनर ऑडियंस विल बी बोर्ड. ठीक है ना. अगर आप बहुत डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स का यूज कर रहे हैं तो उससे क्या होगा, आप भी जब बोल रहे होंगे स्टक हो जाएंगे, घबरा जाएंगे, और एट द टाइम you will get confused. So better to use general word which you can easily speak. ठीक है ना. So use a very common language or easy word. ठीक है ना. So this is all about the writing one. Do add at least 3-4 examples. Add 1-2 saying, 1-2 quotation, and you have to make at least 1.5 page speech about the topic. How long it should be? 1.5 page, at least of 2 minutes. ठीक है ना. 2 minutes. 2 minutes you have to continuously speak that I will record. ठीक है बेटे. I will record. Okay. Like the introduction of the speech has 4 major objectives. आपका introduction जो आप दे रहे होंगे, it should gain the interest of the audience. अगर आपका introduction बहुत boring होगा तो definitely audience will not listen you. So introduction जो आप बनाएंगे, it should be very interesting one. जो quotation of poetry add कीजिएगा वो बहुत interesting हो. ठीक है ना. Second, it reveal topic. वो आपके आइडिया को प्रेजेंट करे. ठीक है ना. Third one, it can easily win the trust of others. ठीक है ना. So by the ideas, by the thoughts which you are presenting to the audience, they will start believing in you, that they will convince. ठीक है ना. आपको persuade करना है. So जो speech की type आप कर रहे हैं, you are persuading them. ठीक है ना. तो आप उनका interest develop करें, they should listen to you. So आपके ideas जो आप present करें बहुत effective होने चाहिए. Is this clear to everyone? Speech आपकी 2 minutes की होगी. ठीक है ना. 1.5 page. Start with quotation and add very effective points. ठीक है ना. आपके पास weekend है to search about like the whole topic you can search in weekend. और बहुत अच्छा material search कीजिएगा. ठीक है ना. बीच में stuck. During speech, when you are delivering the speech ना, at that time आप हाँ स्टक नहीं होइएगा बिल्कुल भी. ठीक है ना. अगर कहीं बाय मिस्टेकली आप स्टक हो भी जाते हैं तो बहुत तरीके से उसको कंटिन्यू कर लीजिएगा. डोंट गिव योर वीकनेसेस टू अदर. ठीक है
मिस
जी बेटे.
मिस जो आपने इस स्पीच के टॉपिक्स दिए हैं तो हमें उन टॉपिक से करने हैं, अपने मर्जी टॉपिक्स ले सकते हैं.
उन्हीं टॉपिक में से करना है. आपको एक टॉपिक सिलेक्ट करना है, कोई एक टॉपिक उनमें से. वन, ओनली वन.
Okay.
I have given you
Thank you.
topic. From 3 you have to do only one. ठीक है.
Okay. Okay.
Aryan, Reja, Anaya, Zayan, I want everyone to open the camera, please. ठीक है. Mohit, otherwise I'm removing you.
Should be of
जी बेटे पूछें.
the speech should be of 1.5 page.
2 minute speech. ठीक है.
2 minutes. Okay.
Add good quotation, good examples with evidence. ठीक है. Good saying you can add of any famous writer. ठीक है. Not ठीक है. Is this use the Zoom option to raise the hand, please, if you wish to ask the question.
Okay.
जी बेटे बताएं. Anyone wish to ask the question? Up till now, is this clear to you all? जी Fatma Mohsin, you are raising the hand.
Miss, everyone will choose same topic or different topic?
From 3 topics, you have to select one. ठीक है ना. कोई मसला नहीं है अगर 4-5 स्टूडेंट एक ही टॉपिक करें, नो प्रॉब्लम. ठीक है.
Miss, everyone will participate.
Everyone should, because it has 10 marks. जो नहीं करेगा उसको 10 marks नहीं मिलेंगे. ठीक है ना. This marks I will include in your 0 term assessment. जो सबसे अच्छी स्पीच करेगा, they will getting +10. और फिर it's all depend on your speech कि आप कैसी कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. Okay. Now our today's topic is the gestures which we used while doing the speech. Up till now the topic is clear to everyone. Use Zoom option beta to thumbs up and raise a hand. All of should do. Okay, very good. Jean. Moise, you wish to ask something? Anaya, everything is clear, bete? Anaya, Amna, and Muhammad Danish. Did you understand the topic?
Yes.
You did not thumbs up, na, Yusra? Did you understand, बेटे? आपको समझ में आया कि आपको स्पीच कैसे लिखनी है? जी Yusra. Did you understand how to write a speech? आपको start कैसे करना है?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, that's really great. Now I'm moving forward. What are the gestures? Look at the screen. Are you all able to look at the screen?
Yes.
Just get up on that podium. All right, I'm here. That was easy. Now I just need to. Oh my gosh! How many people are in the audience? 100? 1,000? Don't count. Okay, I can do this. Focus on my notes. What did I have written down again? Hello. My. Okay, if this sounds like your worst nightmare, you're not alone. Actually, you're one of the estimated 70% of the population that has an intense fear of public speaking. And that's okay, because on today's webcast, we've got our triple P method that will get you through and get you calm during that next oral report and keep your breakfast where it belongs. You ready? Many polls list public speaking as the most commonly reported phobia among Americans. It's called glossophobia, meaning literally fear of the tongue. A study by Texas Christian University tested 48 women and 48 men enrolled in a public speaking class and found that those who exhibited high trait anxiety had the most physical symptoms of distress when speaking publicly. So, what if you're the kind of person whom any bit of social acrobatics is tantamount to entering a lion's den? Hey, calm down. Okay, I'm just kidding. Seriously, calm down, all right? We've got our triple P method. It'll get you through that next public speaking gig. Pause and print this webcast worksheet. Step 1, prepare, prepare, prepare. We said it 3 times because it's that important. Step 1, prepare, prepare, prepare. We said it 3 times because it's that important.
There are 2 things that go into being prepared. Number 1, knowing your subject backwards and forwards. 2, knowing exactly how you're going to present it step by step. In your webcast worksheet, write down the major points that you want to get across to the audience. Get the ideas out of your head and onto the paper.
In the next column to the right, start ordering these points in a logical manner. Arguing your point to the audience and winning them over is like a boxing match. First, start with some fancy footwork, a fact or an anecdote that will hook the audience in and get them to pay attention to you. Then, throw a couple of swings, supporting evidence for your argument, stats, personal stories, something that will start to convince the audience that you're taking control. And finally, the knockout. A landing blow of statements that's memorable, convincing, and sums up your speech's position. All right, step 2. Posture and physicality are key. Part of keeping your anxiety at bay while giving your speech is knowing what to do with your body.
Before your speech, avoid large meals or dairy products, which will make you feel like you need to clear your throat incessantly. Bring a bottle of water on stage if you're allowed. Don't be afraid to take sips throughout your speech. It'll keep your voice natural, and it gives you a moment to pause and regain your composure if needed. Stand naturally, not too stiff or slumped. Good posture will help you breathe and speak easier, and it'll let your audience know that you're calm and in control.
Step 3, hand that to your audience. The best public speakers know how to work the room. Don't be completely serious unless the occasion calls for it. Don't read entirely off the cards. Keep a natural cadence and pace. Throw a joke or a side in. It'll draw in a laugh. If there's a silence, then turn that into a joke. Stay natural, self-effacing, and the audience will be on your side. Let's recap. You'd rather face a poisonous reptile than public speak, huh? Well, follow the Wellcast Triple P checklist. Prepare extensively for your speech. Know your content back
backwards and forwards and figure out the absolute best way to present it and to win over your audience. Watch your posture and physicality. This includes everything from standing naturally to breathing from your diaphragm. And hand it to your audience. Keep them in the palm of your hand and with an easy demeanor, natural cadence, and of course, jokes.
Tweet us at WatchWellcast, email us at watchwellcast@gmail.com, or leave a comment down below. We'll see you
Okay.
next time.
Did you understand that?
Yes.
So, which thing you have
Yes,
to observe when you are giving the speech? Who will let me know?
Posture and physicality.
So the main thing which you have to observe, how will you stand? You will stand
Surrender to your
confident.
audience.
Very good. Yes, Abhiya wish to share something. Ji Abhiya. Ji Abhiya, bete, speak up.
Teacher, we don't have to put a card on our face that we are not that the audience can't see us. We have to not be serious. We have to stand in a manner that we also have to smile, that we also have to do the action, so that our speech will also be very attractive and the audience would like to see or listen our speech.
Very good, Abhiya. Yes, Fatma Mohsin, did you understand that?
Yes.
How will you deliver the speech?
We should have to be prepared and we should stand in a straight manner. We don't have to be serious, and we have to make sure that the audience is happy and laughing.
Okay, that's really great. Ji Asghar, did you understand that? Ji Asghar, bete, speak up.
Yes,
Did you understand, bete, how you have to deliver the speech? Who will let me know what are Ji? What is a gesture?
A gesture.
Ji?
Miss?
Okay. Rafe, speak up.
मिस हमें क्या ये वो स्पीच कल के सुनानी है.
जी बेटे, आपको मंडे को during the class time you will be doing it, ठीक है ना? And during weekend you will be writing it, ठीक है? Okay. Did you all understand what are gestures, Amna? Did you understand my idea?
Explain me again.
जी आमना बेटे. आमना बेटे, speak up.
Miss, please explain me again.
Okay, definitely I'll be doing it. जी बेटे, आमना बोलिए बेटे.
Gesture mean?
जी. What are the natural gestures which we use when we are speaking? Natural gestures क्या होते हैं? जी आमना बेटे. Okay, think about it. Mohammad Danish, you tell बेटे. Natural gestures क्या होते हैं बेटे? What are these? जी बेटे, do let me know what are natural gestures. Rafe, Reja, Mohit, Saqib, and Zayan, please open video. Mohammad Danish, unmute yourself.
Yes, miss.
Now do let me know natural gestures क्या होते हैं बेटे?
Miss, natural gestures.
Selling 1 second.
Very good. Yes, who will let me know what are the natural gestures? कौन बताएगा? Raise hand. Abdullah Danish, आप बताएं. Abdullah Danish. Abdullah Danish, please speak up. जी. Be attentive, dear. बताएं नेचुरल जेस्चर्स क्या होते हैं?
Contents.
नो. हुमैरा आप बताएं बेटे नेचुरल जेस्चर्स क्या होते हैं? जी हुमैरा स्पीक अप.
With natural voice.
बेटे जो स्पीच होती है समथिंग एल्स. जेस्चर्स क्या होते हैं? ओके दानिया आप बताएं बेटे व्हाट आर जेस्चर्स? डोंट नो. ओके लेट मी टेल यू व्हाट आर जेस्चर्स. जेस्चर्स होते हैं आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज. ठीक है ना? आपके फेस एक्सप्रेशन, आपकी हैंड की मूवमेंट, आपकी आई की मूवमेंट, आपकी हैट की मूवमेंट. The whole body language is the gestures which you use while you are speaking. देखिए अब मैं बात कर रही हूँ, मैं eyes अपनी मूव कर रही हूँ, अपना हैट मूव कर रही हूँ, hands move. These all are gestures. ये सब क्या है बेटे? The movement of parts of body while speaking and delivering a speech. ठीक है? जब आप अपनी स्पीच डिलीवर करते हैं, at that time आपकी बॉडी पार्ट्स को आप जिस तरह मूव करते हैं ना, these all are gestures. ठीक है? जब आप स्पीच डिलीवर करेंगे एट द टाइम अगर आप कंफ्यूज डरे हुए होंगे तो इट डजंट लुक गुड ना. आपको स्माइल करना है. यू हैव टू शो कॉन्फिडेंट फेस, स्माइली फेस, एंड यू एवरीथिंग व्हिच व्हाटएवर यू आर प्रेजेंटिंग टू अदर शुड बी क्लियर टू अदर वन. अच्छा ठीक है. द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग द साउंड शुड बी क्लियर. आपकी आवाज जो आप जब बात करेंगे इट शुड बी व्हेन यू आर डिलीवरिंग द स्पीच एवरी सिंगल लेटर और द वर्ड which you are using, it should be clear. ठीक है ना? आप मम्बल नहीं करेंगे, स्टक नहीं होंगे. अगर आप स्टक होके पढ़ेंगे no one will understand that word. ठीक है? तो you should clearly deliver the sound. ठीक है? बहुत अच्छे से, and the speech should be appropriate. बहुत तेज नहीं दौड़ना कि आप रीडिंग कर रहे हैं. ठीक है ना? स्पीच का मतलब रीडिंग नहीं होता. ठीक है बेटे? Speech means you are delivering, when you are delivering the speech at that time you shouldn't be very fast. ठीक है ना? बहुत appropriate स्पीच में, नॉर्मल स्पीच में आपको डिलीवर करना है. ठीक है ना? अपने पॉजेस का ख्याल रखना है. हाउ यू हैव टू मूव फॉरवर्ड, हर चीज का आपको ध्यान रखना है कि कहाँ आपको स्ट्रेस देना है. वेयर यू हैव टू लिटिल लाउडर, वेयर यू हैव टू लिटिल स्लोअर. अपनी स्पीच का, अपनी टोन का, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग यू शुड केयर अबाउट इट. ठीक है? Is this clear बेटे? ये नहीं कि आप चीख रहे हैं, चिल्ला रहे हैं. No, it's not like that. ठीक है ना? The speech should be appropriate so that other can get you. जब आप मुखातिब होंगे तो it should be normal. It should have spontaneity. Spontaneity होता है natural behavior. आपका behavior बिल्कुल natural लगे. ये नहीं लगे कि आप pretend कर रहे हैं. ठीक है ना? उसमें कोई दिखावा नहीं होना चाहिए. You should have a natural behavior. It should have the spontaneity. ठीक है ना? जी अमसाल. Now you tell बेटे what are gestures?
Which gestures?
जी.
Like our movement of hands, our movement of eyes.
जी very good.
And our way to talk.
Very good. Okay, now Zayan will tell. Zayan, आप बताएं बेटे, what did you understand? Zayan, speak up बेटे. How is the health of yours? अब आपकी तबीयत कैसी है बेटे?
बस थोड़ी बेहतर है.
Okay, alhamdulillah. Now बेटे, did you understand the topic? What are gestures?
Yes.
Now briefly explain बेटे. आप बताइए क्या होते हैं gestures?
like miss के say
The face expression which we use while speaking. ठीक है ना? The movement of the hand, the movement of hat. ठीक है? These all are gestures. Ji Saqib, very good bete Zayan. Now Saqib, you tell bete, did you understand the topic? Saqib bete, are you here? Saqib, Aryan, Amna and Mois, open the video of yours. Ji Aryan bete, open the video. Mois, bete, try to open the video of yours. Ji, Mois, open the video. Saqib, bete, answer the question. Aryan, bataiye bete. Did you understand, beta?
Yes, teacher.
Did you understand what are gestures? How you have to deliver the speech?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, Ji, Yusra, आप बताइए अब. What are gestures?
Yes. There are our body part.
The body part नहीं बेटे, movement of the body part. ठीक है ना, कैसे move कर रहे हैं आप, कैसे express कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? Is this clear, Yusra? आपकी expression, face expression, eyes expression, hand expression and hand expression. जो आप express करते हैं, you are moving it while speaking. These all are gestures. ठीक है? Okay, look at the screen. Which thing you have to care about when you are speaking in public or you're giving the speech? Poise, voice, life, eye contact, gestures, speed. This 5 things, 6 things you have to care about it. What are these? Appear calm and confident. Avoid distracting behavior, like don't pick your nose in this manner near in front of others, so it distract. ठीक है? Speak clearly. The sound should be clear. The word, whatever you are delivering it now, it should be clear. ठीक है ना? Appropriate speed you should have. The volume should be appropriate so that other can get the words of yours. It should be lively. ठीक है ना? Express with emotion, express with passion. Maintain eye contact. Gestures. Use your face expression, hand expressions. This all will help you out to deliver your speech more effectively. Speed. Don't speak too faster and too slower. ठीक है ना? It should be normal and appropriate. Did you understand, all of you? Which thing you have to care about it? Did you understand, all of you? Okay, that's really great.
Yes.
Use Zoom option to thumbs up and raise hand if you wish to ask. Ji. Okay. Humaira, did you understand, my dear? Ji, Humaira.
Yes.
Amsal? Did you understand, Humaira?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Bete, you have to deliver speech on Monday. I'll be giving 5 students' name through WhatsApp, and you 5 students will be doing on Monday. ठीक है? Let's see whose name will come. अब यहाँ quickly sum up कीजिए topic को. What we did here today.
Teacher, we learned how to do the speech. We learned the gestures, and we learned the manners. How to we have to give the speech and how the audience will be attracted from our speech. And today we learned the manners of speech. Yes.
Very good. Okay. Now, Abdullah Danish, you tell what we did today.
We have learned this how to give speech.
Very good. Ji. Quickly, bete, the class time ended, my dear. Quickly, bacha. Okay. Mohammad Danish, you tell.
Yes, miss.
Yes. Sum up the whole topic. What we did today.
Miss, we learn we give a speech in proper way. We learn posture and physicality
Very
and
good.
nature and gesture.
Very good. Today you all have learned about the natural gestures. ठीक है ना? How you have to deliver your speech. Very good. So everyone should give their name to class CR and their topic. ठीक है? G. You wish to add something, Amsal?
Teacher, I have given my name.
Very good, bete. Amsal?
Miss, who is there?
Rafe is a CR of class 6 red and Fatma Mohsin is the class CR of 6 green. So give your topic to Fatma Mohsin who is in 6 green and who are in 6 red, they will be giving to Rafe. ठीक है? 6 red के student Rafe को देंगे अपना topic. ठीक है? And show the content.
Topic of speech.
G. From 3 topic you have to select one. Okay, student. G, my dear.
When we have to give the topic?
Bete, during weekend. Monday you have to deliver. So do prepare during weekend. ठीक है?
Okay, miss.
2 students from 6 red and 2 from 6 green will be doing it on Monday. ठीक है, dear? So let's see whose name will appear. So take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz, everyone. Hope everything is clear to you all. Allah Hafiz. Have a good day ahead. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.